nature trail. Nature trail. Peppa Pig and her mother family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map. We need the picnic too, said Mommy Pig, but the picnic is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look, under there, said Peppa. I can see some footprints on the ground. Peppa and her family follow the footprint on the ground. A bird made these footprints, said Mommy Pig. Look up there in the tree, said Peppa. I can see some birds. There is a mommy bird and some little birds are in the tree. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. Look down there, said Peppa. I can see some ants. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need the picnic, but it is still in the car. Daddy Pig looked at the map. I don't know the way back to the car, he said. I know, says Peppa. I can see our footprints too. We can follow our footprint back to the car. Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. I know, says Peppa. I can see some ducks over there. Ducks like the rain and they love picnic. We can follow this duck back to the picnic in our car. The hungry family followed the duck all the way back to the car. I love picnic in the woods, said Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the duck love the picnic too. Where do Peppa and her family going for a picnic? In the woods. What does Peppa see in the woods? They see ducks, ants, and the birds. Why do the family footprints go away? Because of rain. Who showed Peppa and her family the way back to the car. Ducks help they go to the car.